As a trucking accident trial attorney based in Atlanta, Georgia, I've often found that major crashes are caused when trucking companies hire and put behind the wheel folks who really weren't qualified to drive an interstate tractor trailer. Trucking companies are required by law and the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations to check the motor vehicle record, the driving record of people they hire, and to check periodically those that are working for them. They're also required, when they hire a driver, to check with previous employers in the trucking industry. The standard form application has a place for drivers to list their previous employers. And sometimes we find that trucking companies just don't bother to check with those previous employers. We had one case in a neighboring state recently where an applicant, a truck driver, had revealed the names of his previous employers, and the company just didn't bother to contact them. And after a crash that occurred within a month after he went to work, we did the discovery. We tracked down the previous employers, and a previous employer testified that this driver had crashed 3 of their tractor trailers. And in fact, the president of the company testified that she wouldn't trust that boy to drive a wheelbarrow. We had another incident here recently where a truck driver, within a week of going to work for a trucking company, rear-ended a woman in the rush hour on a Metro Atlanta Expressway, causing a disabling injury. We got back into the driver qualification file, found the names of the previous employers, tracked them down, and got their records. And if they had been contacted, they would have revealed that this driver had had very serious incidents that would disqualify him from being hired in the first place. I hope that if you have a catastrophic trucking crash case in Georgia, you will contact us and give us an opportunity to dig into the records and see if we can do you some good.